Okay, today is something different. Let's run a speed run. First things first, allow execution. Then let's set it to GPU compute and turn off the kits and turn on cameras. Then set the camera to board 2 and the lights will be softbox studio. Then turn on the floor stucco. Set the floor to -3. There we go. Now we can drop a desk mat on there, Alt-G to reset. Okay, we also need one of these. Alright, RZ, rotate it a little bit. Now let's grab a board, ACR75, reset the position. Then we need to restore collection and set. Then we need a caps mat on there, so drag and drop. Set that to active and copy materials, setup and paste. Okay, now I'll select these guys and set their color to orange, set. Then let's have some orange legends on here and set. Then for the mods, we'll select those and set the legend color to dark. Hit set. Okay, now let's have a look at the camera. Rotate it to a nice position here and Control Alt Num 0. There we go, and we need to zoom out. GZZ. Zoom out and let's render, hit render. There we go.